There is a shortage of entry-level healthcare workers in the United States, and it's becoming serious because the population is aging. The baby boomers are getting up there in years. Christina Prinster is with Home Instead St. Louis. They provide seniors with personal in-home care. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, John.
I was just reading, fantastic. I was just reading the other day that by 2030, the year 2030, all baby boomers will be age 65 or older. And this Harvard study came out that found that people, like 54% of them, are going to need some kind of help at home.
Yes, absolutely. 10,000 people per day are retiring and want to stay in the comfort and safety of their home, especially during these unprecedented times.
So what does Home Instead offer folks?
Home Instead, we provide, I like to say, 5 of the most important things that we do are safety, companionship, nutrition and hydration, making sure that our clients are eating well and drinking well, and medication reminders, because without those 5 things being consistent, then a lot of other things are inconsistent as well. We also provide personal care, bathing, grooming, dressing, toileting, transferring, and the normal things around the house that any of us would love help with, light housekeeping, laundry, things like that.
So primarily these are non-medical caregivers, correct?
Yes, sir, absolutely, non-medical.
So what qualifies someone to be one of these caregivers?
Well, compassion, first of all, a kind soul, heart, being able to relate to people, and having people skills as well. Having transportation, because sometimes even during these unprecedented times, some of our clients do require transportation for a doctor's appointment as well.
And they always say you should be able to lift probably 25 pounds, basic things.
Absolutely,
like
no more than that.
So you do background checks, you do all of that. How can interested candidates learn more?
Interested candidates can reach out to 6 of the greater St. Louis Home Instead offices. We are having a hiring week. This week we are looking for 60 plus qualified caregivers that have some of those qualities to reach out to us to help the senior loved ones here in the St. Louis metro area.
And this could be full-time or even part-time. You could work, what, 3 hours up to maybe 15 hours a week?
Absolutely. So this is a job that can give you some flexibility, that you get to work as much or as little as you prefer.
All right. And the website one more time?
homeinstead.com/careers, or you can definitely reach out to one of the 6 local offices here for Home Instead in the greater St. Louis area.
Fantastic. That's Christina Prinster joining us from Home Instead, a group that started back in 1994 in Omaha, Nebraska. Now they have like 800 franchises around the country, and it's going to be growing. We appreciate you joining us.
Thank you, John. Always